Life is the world around us. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes slow. Sometimes it's crowded, sometimes we're alone. Life is young and old, and everything in between. Rich with wonder and dreams, life connects us. In cities and villages and down country roads, life is our journey. Of course, everyone's journey is different, and for some of us, the journey must include medical products on which we rely. At Fittleworth, we believe that life's journey should not be limited by the need for those medical products. Life Assist is the culmination of our company's 25 years of experience, and our silver anniversary is an opportunity for us to share what we've learned from our customers.
Thanks very much, Steve.
Take care. Bye-bye.
To help people on the journey live life to the full. Fittleworth Medical Limited was founded in the village of Fittleworth, West Sussex in 1984. As a small, family-owned business, the company's first headquarters occupied the garage of the family home. From its humble beginnings, the underlying principles of the company were clear: to focus on customer needs and build customer relationships in the supply of stoma care products. Those underlying principles from the company's earliest days formed a solid foundation to deliver a complete and unbiased range of products promptly, discreetly, and reliably for the individual needs of each customer. Today, with its headquarters in Littlehampton, West Sussex, Fittleworth is a leading supplier of ostomy and continence products in the UK, providing national coverage from 14 regional care centres.
Of course you can, and that's 4 boxes. Yeah, anything else for you?
Every ostomy and continence product available on the NHS drug tariff is stocked at Fittleworth care centres, and samples of all leading brands of products are readily available. Each care centre is staffed with a highly skilled team and leading-edge technology working together to connect with our customers, to meet the needs of people who depend on quality healthcare products and supporting them on their life's journey.
All the best. Bye-bye.
There's always just a nice, personal, friendly, cheery voice on the other end of the phone. You don't pick it up and have somebody that's kind of dull and miserable on the other end, which, again, it makes you relaxed, and therefore you're more likely to give the details and the information that you want and the support that you need.
We were having a lot of problems when Mum came out of hospital because we've got a problematic stoma, and I'm Mum's carer, and we were very much on our own. We were very nervous about what we had to deal with.
And when you're dealing with something as intimate and as embarrassing as it can be, it's nice to know that you've got the comfort of a company that is working with you.
I have the option to get my supplies from the doctor's surgery, but I prefer to use a company like Fittleworth because they understand the equipment that I'm going to have. I can talk to somebody who knows exactly what I need, and they provide me with extra bits and pieces that are not on the prescription that are very useful to me.
The cornerstone of Fittleworth's service is discreet, personalised home delivery. For busy customers who find visits to the chemist difficult to manage, customers in rural areas, customers who have restricted mobility, or customers who simply desire as much privacy as possible, Fittleworth Home Delivery ensures the highest standard of customer care.
Yeah, nice to see you again.
And you.
All the best. Bye-bye.
An early morning call, 9 times out of 10 you're guaranteed the next day.
Which is excellent, really, isn't it?
One should maybe give plenty of time to order the equipment I need, but sometimes if I leave it a little late, it's not a problem for Fittleworth because the delivery times are short anyway.
You just ring them up and say, I need a repeat prescription. And Steve, the guy who, you see, I know them all personally, who delivers, he knows if I'm not in, he just leaves it round the back in the porch.
Since the company began a quarter of a century ago, one innovation after another has allowed Fittleworth to connect with its customers in unprecedented ways. The Fittleworth customising service provides custom-fit ostomy products with barriers cut to the exact requirements of each customer's template. Customers who are registered with Fittleworth have access to a national network of qualified nurses available for telephone consultation as well as home visits. Regularly scheduled clinic days allow Fittleworth customers to receive clinical examinations and consultation with specialist nurses. At Fittleworth, we understand the vital role that healthcare professionals play, not only in a person's initial recovery from surgery, but also in the person's ongoing care.
I think it's important for patients and nurses to know that when they refer either themselves or one of their clients to Fittleworth, that the nurses are completely independent and at liberty to use and offer any range of products from any manufacturer.
Well, I think when you ring up, they're so friendly, you know, and they talk to you. And if you've got a problem, you can, you know, talk to the nurse about it. Jane, she's very experienced. And if we've had problems, I mean, she's there within 24 hours, really, helping us, because all this was very, very new to us.
It's important that the patient knows that we are putting them first, that their needs are a priority, and it's the philosophy of Fittleworth to offer top quality patient care and customer service and work alongside the NHS healthcare professionals. They provide you with a genuine, caring, like a sort of family business service, which again I appreciate greatly.
In today's world, travel is very much a part of living life to the full, so Fittleworth has developed a global emergency delivery service called World Assist Alliance. If you are registered for World Assist Alliance and should need additional products while travelling in any member country, your emergency stoma or continence supplies can be delivered by a local network partner within 48 hours of contacting Fittleworth. No shipping delays, no customs formalities.
I think I was in New Zealand the first time when I'd used more than I'd packed, and they sent them to me. I just rang them up and said, "Wendy, guess what?" And so they arrived.
It is important to know that you've got that backup should you need it. I think that helps you to feel more confident about going away and taking more adventurous trips, perhaps, knowing that if something was to go wrong and you suddenly needed something, you could fall back on that service.
At Fittleworth, there is a tradition of innovation and a focus on the individual needs of each customer that allows the company to meet the healthcare needs of people who depend on stoma or continence products to continue life's journey and live life to the full.
You're welcome. Take care now. Bye-bye.